Mfami, bibi aboko. Ase nanse nyame adom me hoye. Ase nanse wo do ho atekakra. Ase wayira fi system nim social media vanish. Chese ba bia ye hu wo TV ye hu wo ba bia. Na okota ehimfa. Osheho. Bibi aye kama. Bibi aye boko. Pamela Odame Watara. Pamela Odame Watara. Edi Odame no.
Yeah.
Efri himfa na wankasa nkasa wo yedini ye wo wei o maame wei mo ye dodo se hin na wo school.
Okay, nti me papa free Kenya.
Kenya,
and
okay.
And my mommy from Upper West, so free Upper West in Basunya in Bonahafo. And now me I nini wo hwa nti wa na me cool school just me ni mabusu yin na ayete.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eti Odame no efri hin
me maame me nana.
Okay.
Me nana no me mommy side on me 50-50.
Okay.
Half Kwapem, half wala ni dagati.
Oh.
Yeah.
Eti
say bebre na me mommy no ye Christian nti
before
obi share papa no.
And na otubai.
Odame no ansa na me beje me papa Watara no.
Oh.
E dey so.
Okay. Nti na just wankasa wo fa Odame no.
Na Pamela Odame dada. Nti papa di na Watara. Mahama Watara. Yeah.
Okay.
Meje me papa.
Yeah, papa Mahama no wafa ase ne wana.
Baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not just Udin no Mahama so kan ho.
Mahama na papa di.
Okay. Nti papa di ne Mahama Watara no. Because yete Odame no fu say bia so ye Dubai ne ye na ye Dubai you say Nigeria you say Congo so say Ibiu say no say say mountain say afi no wa chiri. Mami, uko school we himfa.
Sunyai. When I'm at JHS senior high school.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Mo ye nuanom dodo se.
Me was step brother 6.
Okay.
Yeah, and me mama and me papa together no. Yeah, 4.
Okay.
Yeah, me kwana me oba.
Oh.
Yeah, all no yeah 10.
Okay.
Including my step brothers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enti 10 no nkwa na yo ba.
Kwa no so me nkwa na me oba step brothers. Oh yeah, step me.
Enti o person o kire say mo ye 10 people.
Yes.
And I make us 10 children.
10 children.
Enti o mo nyina ye 9 ni nyina ye mema.
Yeah.
Oh, enti na utirim yo dem. As Nyankopon she da bo sronko, she da bo special bi. Wow.
Yeah.
Abrabom etise.
Oh. Yami adom.
Wow. Bibia you okay. Mugu so bo. Bibia be ye fine. Ye person oni yen share wabrabom experience kakra. Growing up no onye ne niema ufemu. E kwan ye fa so a ubewura sinitwe because ye nyina ye nim say Pamela Odame Watara a movie actress. Usaye modeler. Usaye influencer, right? Ate oniema droso. Enti ye pese oni yen bonkomo kakra cause the war show no be hon mo na adweme ne say Pamela de see ni no social media nko awon na nam hosa but me de me a minim won de minim say oye brand ema say product bebre oye actress o san ye modeler so oni ye bonkomo kakra.
Okay, enti na as I said earlier on we ni wo sunyan enti no enum ana me yes me am person me me bra so that me adwenu iswa.
Okay.
Ni nim say abrabo no say na e dey ni chain say we from Sunyan to Kumasi, Kumasi to Accra.
Okay.
Into Accra na finally me person so and it has not been easy.
Okay.
As a single lady as a Satam no so no my auntie was in Accra here but na me ba alone me ba se me nkwa na me be live abrabo so it wasn't easy.
Okay.
And crab on the same kakra so and a man be years.
Okay.
Nti no me ba akra no meninam I've me ba nyame ado me share a couple of people who helped me in life. You know, me be settle here in terms of relationship. Yeah, my bewo.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm a me ba no we free.
Wow. Pamela awo.
Oh yes.
Wow, ye beba ho no. Abra ben na u decide ye ana emfie ben na u decide ye say Pamela pese ono ate no ho no bankran ebebo ne bra. 19 years.
Yes, 19 years.
Wow. That time na eya na wakasa wapeja wa no kakra.
Yeah, 19 years.
19 years.
Yeah. Na enkra boni se.
That time na o maame ewe na papa nso so we.
Maame papa wo mo hwe me kam o.
Okay.
O mo hwe me kam at
okay.
the school. Yeah, as I said, they enkra boni se. I'm not going to blame anybody.
Okay.
Men ka say na ifie na we I'm not going to blame anybody. Okay. You know, na me making that decision.
Who said the ma we young san collab some I would take that. Okay.
Friends and now four and now four.
Okay.
And I'm now for yeah. And now four.
It's who say udi nam for no. I will bank crying at that time and at that age 19 years now by no a wow. And answer more.
I shall send it dear
okay.
Say over Accra, uni bia ha. Uni Jimmy bia yawa han. Now over and kind precopes and the ambwa.
Okay.
At some point, I may sign back to Bunahafo.
Okay.
And I may sign a back. So for the beginning, dear ambwa, but as time goes on, maybe who abrabono. Say na me nyine nti be hu abrabo na me get used to it.
Okay.
And I'm making decisions say okay ni aya na aye no.
Okay.
Manya aye say mate me hu a.
Okay.
Me bo me brad I have to face it.
Okay.
Then I started to face life, started hustling and to live life, hoping for the best.
So at that time no I was start saying
yeah.
Experience has been and unyai from that time till now.
Wasn't easy.
Okay.
Because now I don't want to go that side.
Oh no. It's a life experience.
Yeah.
So there was show no. Ebia one share that empty and who say yes to a program when you per se. There was show what you were footwo.
Sure.
What you will grind share. Ware chichire. Inti misro de wo bia no catch but the own person be cancel so
I can skip it.
Yeah, we can't force you.
It wasn't easy. Baby I'm not me da. They na me die. They na me share. Yeah. The reason why I don't want to really talk about that side much is say I'll accept all the blame.
Wow.
Obia nchechire me because bra kra me show
at that age no
kwan inti no
na o ma me no papa eti ho wo mu didida
so what
say wo mu ye comfortable enya kra no wo mu nim so wo mu ana wo de wa ba so far as wo mu etimi di wa ko school ni die wow
minyini we no if you minya all that memory and then I'll be like oh I don't know yes good wow. And say come ye way and say come ye way so I na me ka ho no be bra me am crab on him. So whatever I went through, no menya baby da na me di na fufu echi na me nya atare I wasn't living good, you know. It's all my fault.
It's who ni say e bi be ka wani pa.
Sure.
When no
Unim and at that period nyina so who say when no.
Okay.
So say unyini free mu no. At that time na ekọ bi nya baby nda na makomadam fuwe ho na madam fuwe ni akowe ho na yesin ha ni nyina no unnu hu within that time ubenu hu after some years because waste of time so many things that
abrebe na unnu wo hu e bia me bank cry no 2 years and I know me home 3 years na me know and I say a year going na me know me home say na then na me yes sir
I think me around me 20s me early 20s
so let's say from 1 year kono
yes
also back 19 years
so from 23 24 kono yeah and I realize is so many things that I'm doing it doesn't make sense
wow
and I'm just wasting my time
okay.
So that's when I decided to, plan for my life. At that time, 1920, I wasn't planning. I was just make up and down. Okay. So I never need any plan for my life.
Okay.
So from 24 to 25, that's when I realized that, okay, something have to go on in my life.
Okay.
So that's when I realized I have to be cutting off some things. I have to be matured minded. I have to move on. I have to do some certain things. Yeah.
It's that time no na when is a catch to say the more near that from
engage
okay
because I was still young and I'm still young, so engage but mistakes be you know that can't be erased, you know, and then you get memories of it not assure.
Yeah, so that time you person utrain mistakes one kasa say ujeye e wo mabrabo ebia e wo mabrabo I'm sorry ebia make say social media ebia because e drew baby no call off free social media ye hwehwe baby ani ye hu enti hu ni say edie na hu ye ana de na si ye edie na to emma hu say that moment baby why a mistake and wo ye mistake e wa abrabom nti esese o ma wani da ho. Okay,
so me started social media no my concentration was just to be famous.
Oh,
that now when I'm concentration now. Whether I would do negative
or positive, no.
That mean found. So now I doing this one. So and you know Ghana negativity.
Yeah, trends. Yeah.
So there are some things I did. There are some things I said.
Wow.
All now me you need some person me famous. So anything that I was fit, you know.
Wow.
I don't care.
Wow.
I just want to hear say what can't we or trendy.
Oh, no,
that was the only thing I was focused on. But man, who say I didn't work on what trendy you know that thing will still be there.
Okay.
That
time so for budget was so you know sika kakra back tinketi bi ba wo trendy e bo di
trending that's all.
Okay.
Yeah, what can you say because I say because like okay you don't care.
You don't care.
But later on, and I'm realizing say okay, after what trendy you know whatever you said, you know, akaho. If they go online, they search your name, all what you've said, all what you've done is still there. Trend and then it will come wipe away. But what Pamela said, at assembly no kind, you know, it's still there, it will still remain there. That's why we say the internet never forget. And you know, later on when I'm realizing that there are some things that I could have trained in a positive way. I could have trained doing something different or with something different. Until later I realize I thought I made video to myself and I feel shy. Like me who the video be and as me say me can same be I me show me home.
Because as you say no Pamela and interviews I say on social media me kasa me ye nyeme bi no say bia wa baba I say enwum bi and I say obedi ni rough kakra bi no koye job e bia ye hu who said that time no na ye umama no papa efutu and I say no mu sungu so and I said be person me hu ananam fufo chire unyansa
me no me ho.
Okay,
as you are growing and wadu na emu en bia sebi na unyina obi ani baby unyina ko as I was growing me hu and me papa me parents so my mom will call me say well who baby say she was not crying and I will feel bad like you know as me science unyina no sometimes I will look back na make me timi ko hu video bi I will feel bad about myself say intimi na me cancer say me so it's just that I just decided to say there are some things I need to cut.
That time on so you share social media nam for budget was so
it will take over your mind. So your way you feel good about whatever you are doing. But you say you're right.
Right.
Yeah.
Again nam for dear yo. I will because I deal with dear. And I'm for answer. And now to say me near better honing in nam for to say nipa be am dem ko bo money at the intino. As a me no me ho. Minyaya and
the person will be watching. It's recently when I got pregnant. Yeah, a friend who I accommodated in my own house, she was staying with me. So the very day she got to know I was pregnant, she told me that too quiet. Now I'm say fine. It's too quiet so there. Me de wo ye me 9 months edru ye na ni nyina na ne nema wo me hono. Into that day I did CS, so I was admitted in the hospital, and after that my son too was having an issue, so he was at the pediatric ward.
Don't cry.
I don't want to go that
Don't
side.
Cry. Don't
so,
cry. No.
So this lady, I called her to inform her that since you know her,
okay,
that fair lady.
Oh no, don't cry.
You know her, right? You know her.
Remember me.
That fair lady. Oh, I'm fine. So I called her and I was like, oh, this is the situation. I've been discharged and my son is in the hospital.
Don't cry. Okay,
oh, please. No. So I've been discharged and my son has been admitted at the pediatric ward. So I wanted her to come over.
So what down for now?
So in all, no, I think she got to know said there's no beam. That's what I see now.
Yeah.
So till 37 for like 1 month because of the boy.
Oh God!
A free hospital.
No, you're making me cry. No, and don't cry.
Oh no, I'm fine. And me by fear during the circumcision too. When she was me ban free muso when she was called her sometimes I would deliberately call her at least. Another time to say I was so depressed. Like at that time I needed somebody to. Oh no, the situation, I didn't want to disturb you with it. I was so much depressed to the extent say I needed somebody to talk to. And throughout from my first month to my 9 months, the 1 month I spent in the hospital, through my son's death, through the court trials up and down, up to now, I've not seen the person.
Wow.
And this person is somebody that's Mama. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Mama, thank you so much.
And this person is a person that's
yeah.
So but later after everything me when you say it's a less it teaches you something. It teaches you something.
See, that time na that time na make us say yenko club yempie nko ha yenko ji ani wa ha jiji hu social media ye niam bi a ebema obi ehu se Pamela that time ne de na she feels say and wo ho a ope because baby am one kiti bi ba but abra we say
me ne Pamela ne nam
no so nya sa family din no
that's exactly that's what happened
and ye ma wo ye wo social media ne ma ekoso nyina no mebusua ne nye ho me ma mi wu ohun me papa wu ohun ebusua ne tete mi nyini eti me de mani be to form mesesa to hu say aba form no
and me say ne ba so I was ready to
give back
it good so or way here say I'm not gonna get anything. I mean to me so better in chain and be share it's
nipa ni sa nipa no so e pamo ho nipa nyina.
Since you have an idea about who the person is, so surely you know. But it's all good. It teaches you something in life. You need to learn something sometimes in the hard way. Yeah.
But nyame one shot.
Oh yeah, fine, sure.
You say. Na me ma yako.
Oh, me that say.
Ah God. Iriase areho. And that time it is because of some issues near the need to make fat trauma more or yare and yema be brave because of and that time nanka we hear sad ni panu ka we hear sad am for
because my mom was the only person that she could come over and no so yare that
because yema na ekoso social media
I'm the one who's even supposed to go and take care of her and I miss way better me so there was nobody.
Kuse wate I'm so glad say nyame ama wasi udadem
sure
just say ugusu wasi mukura wie and what you've been through ni nyina na say one can I think say abrabo mu nyame hye da ma bibi to yem
na wo de asua
bibi esua nyansa bi wo shedding what
oh sure
kuse
sure
ha mama me ba osu sisi papa me ba osu therefore raho mo fanch me se me sun it's very sad we are say unyon konda ni oda ento wada wabre akwala we free ni maame ne papa nchen etu kwan abankan se minimu bia ne banam nsoma ba betrayal hesa brabo ni beya obaye ode ne ho bebo namfo obihia wo mo fo se nko no die kenu ano no time and ni ba ne ho so na wo hu se no be ye mistakes e wa brabo ti mebma mani ata form ama settle down na me maame akoma to ne yem abusu akoma to mo yem na bra wo fa nyi nsen do nim se woni obia na damfo no wo ho ma no that time no na damfo no Germany ni ana Germany be ka se obitro no obitray no e wi ase arel bitwa me ho aba me ra ho but e futu ma yi nyina e futu e ma wa wo hweme titru ye na mafo ayeba e youth kai say e papa go furniture e na boy e tree dom e bia wo bia papa go furniture e wo kese ma junction so furniture hu bia wo pe bia se empa wardrobe dining tables and now say office furniture and now say curtains blinds wallpaper just bibia eye furniture bia papa go furniture baby echo bia so kai say ko ha ne yemchi kura delivery no e free ye nyo one city kura omodin a afre papa go furniture sisia Jeffers mixture obai entrase ma yare enye umoso ene Ghana yedin Ghana yehye eno nti idofo baby bia ye oye bia no sa woyem hepatitis B diabetes ananso say ulcer yare bia waye no kwankora watena wo so ache no mpeso obekode eye Jeffers mixture pe ene betimi atuna se obeme entrase na oba ni bubu anichi eye Jeffers P capsules pe ene betimi amaw abo ejuma mpem pa na kai say angel beverages di eno na brochirefo nyina parties eye bibi ekoso bia eye angel beverages pe I don't go next level angel energy drink but of atari eshemi eye ladies in collections e hold free dance my Russia flamingo for number no bitiri hwen so eye cute cat palo and a shemi ben pabo na so de eye kwajo shoes o dance my Sakama junction cute cat and so abekan junction yensemri ento aso pami
says
enti wo opeso ka kire se wonu se oba ankran ana oba akra na obehia asa nipa no na adamfo bi chinua na wo de ni ye wade nyina na that time na asem yanto nti na wonnim ni ye so wo dra na so woni do ba wo de ekire na abehu se edra na wo ma wo no eye se wo ne nam ne yebo odin Pamela na obi ehun se Pamela adamfo die but abra wo konso hwem na niema din niema ya to wo no ena hu se sa ewiase asam toa ana ye hunipa odo
says men person make us menu me ho ba masua bibi
what sua bibi okay
say ye share me ne fa na fo no waye bibi ama me
okay
me so maye bibi ama no ye nyina ya boaboa ye ho nti no masua bibi
yes
masua bibi bebre efrim
okay
masua bibi bebre efrim
okay it is any pan wo ba no de apache ba
mini ni problem
Only the problem.
But what shame ya dinner musumesia inti no wama me hu kwaya sese mefa so na ye den is sign wama na tia sese nipa ni ubetimi atena obetro so odo by it be permanent it will be temporary
asem to na be hu say permanent
say obetimi janho akọ and asusu rely on nipa.
Okay.
Oh yeah, reliable on people when you say anything can happen or be jaw ako.
Uji ni pedi bi.
Debbie.
Unji ni pedi bi.
Debbie.
Nyamete ase. Me papa. Me ba chawa daroma. Bre mame. Papa fire. Oti woni na se wani ase atata ni so but onyamete ase. Okay.
And then I don't from here.
Papa, I didn't see you.
On one him say,
okay. The same hunter.
So Busan baby say, Nadam from Tama, or yeah, Yama Basa was social media and they know all time that she. What for social media anymore fear was she and the opposite about down from the sun or cause Tama problem to Nadam from the sun tribune, and I don't from the business action problem in Mobile.
Oh,
I do baby a town for you and we here. Yeah. Because a suma ma who can ya some fast work. Enti menusuna wosuno mentiase although I could pains him but a very good pa.
Okay.
I would an down for the nafamu. And no nama who send ya bla but here.
Chana no.
Me patrol you.
Yes, and about for a guy sending kuyi.
Oh.
Inti no man yini munano.
And when you now started by
that down for your bar na bema.
Oba. Enti nyinsa ne ba ye no ono wo ba okay ono de wo ba ono timi fa telephone e frɛ ne ba ana wotimi frɛ ne ba but wo de ko yigu
nti no man penis no you disappointed.
Wow.
Yeah, or you're very disappointed or discouraging me na
hey so woni wi on na wo ja wi no ma uko wi fo ni ma e wo treatment o mo de wo fam ene won sakra da na won pese obesesa da what ya say ntina make say wa fa man ye musu no osu na ye bet me hu say e ye sesi ye nti obusa na de bi manage pa wo say on time na mum osua de ye nti obe pan che okola wo de ball na be che no ebi a wanfa na nko wie man konye adamfo ne be kwa akodu ni wuda ama ebi na abla bokla no entimi nnu ba bi mpempen so a wa ye wadui nti de na adamfo ne ye no mi mom de ye to bia Judas Iscariot wa yade se wanyi Yesu ama anka ne anka Yesu engu ama meje odo nti di atwe ne beba ye be nam so aba no wonue aha bet Judas Iscariot so wa bomoden kakra se wa me Yesu ama anka bia o mewu ema meje ye nkwa na Yesu na kase ebeku ni dada bet ono ne ma ne ba ntem
enti afoto ben e na wode be ma namafo a ye donamfo e kyen ye busua ene youth na yaba no enamfo sem
okay
ye course say mu
afoto kase ne say adamfo enye esan ye
okay
yes because Osha Jonathan David adamfo na adamfo ne yi ni fro wo
okay
ye nyina wie so nka say oni wadamfo bi tia ene ne ntem kote ye kasa adamfo bi aboa obi sin nua ane enua adamfo bi so adi obi bone sin nua nti adamfo ne ye ane bi so nya na mom no fa adamfo na hu sa dewi a wo tuufo ne ma wone ukono emwawa na watwe ho me de me wo ba adamfo be du ba bi na nka wo sesame.
Wow.
Not in a bonus and patch. It's like
so mafia.
Okay. Also, Obama China no asset now or yo
okay.
A juba bino meso Missia Champa some got touch any binamese.
That's how a guy you because TikTok.
I force to send you papa. Okay. Yeah, over to one booby and they are no sound. Okay. You to me sit down for no more dim come of phone. One take one show which you have been once I also started say be able to down for the a year pa Bible so the woman yansa near unyansa. Yeah, a be yet. Into no dear no, Okosia down for on ye mano. The me as on Yamini pano. Okosia down for on ye mano because I down for say cotunin sent to go. what you say adamfo a bibi to wa yi wa ma very good next wa kwesha adamfo nya but me hu ni say e nyame ana fa ne so e yes ade no yeah and na say we hwe made ama won say o be ye amane to kristoni a aye boa o aye bi mpa mane amane ye pa okay de ensasa de so sen won eto na mo amane to a e ma wani da ho usua de wo hwe ne ma bebli nti me hu obi no okwa amane ma me bu ne sen sofo a obi a won kwa amane ma dwuma mu ye obi nto amane mu da me bu no be me mu ne sen obi a wakwa amane mu wo se wakwa amane mu pa
me gusukure kom
o wa firi ma fi
me gusukom na firi mo yesu
wa firi ma fi wa firi ma fi won komu biem nti wo sa na wagina ti se obi ba foforo na wotu ne fo a afa wale en wadwuma ho a unyim kwanya be fa so watu ne fo osofo a wahwe aseda ana otimi tufo a otimi ye powerful nti obrabo no de abrabo boneti aba nti ochi obi tino na wotu ne fo na danfo ho a ono obe kasa manipa kono ebe to na akoma so ebi na ye nna no yesua ne ne no aha nti me hu nsa na danfo
ya me ko so nhira wate but nyame gusu de wo ye adwuma
amen
nyame gusu de wo ye adwuma
adamfo na boa na adamfo le fe ne sai
Mrs. Study no
so ye de ye nim na ja yeso esiana ya ko fa okay mani ha
any oguso ne kasa de no block you
esiana ni akoma ni ha
ya akoma ni ha
she's trying to find her way to get back to my life.
Babe, ya uko mu na won pene de so oba na unim so obetwe akomu dia ehun hia. So obetimi afa
because I think so say what dream will be to extend say I say why more mature, more presentable. I say why unique. So what be akowani.
Number 2 then na no mo ye nti o so onyinyi nsaningu na mo ye dan.
No mo ye dan to say papa.
O se na da for mo nyinyi nsaningu.
Okay.
Unsa omo wale omo nyimo omo yigu no omo reason
tia. O say lesbian na na say no mo ye dan say papa cheche.
Oh, dey enye lesbian sam. Pamela dey want me lesbian. That's a very good girl.
No ye person wakasa wakofa wasem aba. So mo ye dan say
papa. O si na danfo no o say no.
Okay.
Wasua na wade ana wonyim wo se onyingu. Ede bla na no omo boa. Wo se onyi
ntimi piepie bio.
Ti pie bai. Mo na mo koye dai.
Na mo koye dai say.
Onyima wa lucky.
Papa, I say o pie club.
Nti pie no say o pie me say am pie me.
Okay, say so to
club.
Ye club.
Sometimes.
Ye gi ani. Beach ni ade ade.
Anyanyem so a eno ano.
Ntimi nko ba bia.
Ena be san be say ade so no mom na obesuso bi. Nti no san hwe that side ni so a ene na ehu yi. Hey.
Nipa bi e cobra.
Pie ni club level ni.
Ah, safi what ka say. Okay, say once in the while.
Say uguso kwa na we.
There be. Hey papa.
I don't have fantasy.
So ubenyim 9 months. Abaya na watu bibia na so de bibia to wo say there be o. Me pese I mean me moving forward. Me pese me nya ba. Hey papa nya easy o. 9 months na awono kura papa nya easy.
Benan
no free no. Ese e party ma Pamela.
Ni said that din komo be.
Into onim ye koso.
Sa club no mate. Be minima de potin po mo ye wo.
Okay.
Ndi ka pese ye hu ni ma
ya fa nko na nka ko hwe de.
Dabi. E bi o pacho club na am ko ye dan. Because mate to be honest,
say ye omo kosa.
Dabi so de wa ko be experience is the best teacher. De wa ko be neti yanti oh club na ye am ko ye dan because me meti club wa de simi timi say obi me pacho oba bi gina wo na be ma bi aba no abefa na akọ empa so
club de mi nim say eye nije kono wakosa kodi asa kono no nsaka kra so ebi o ha bi a shisha kakra shisha na kakra ya say de tweno ase na ya na aja won ba shisha de mi nua no me so club na say asa so obo ha na nije asa ho ko ni page kra say won ko ba bi an kra asa kakra ntimi pacho asa as when in
asa de so onyim kra betimi asa na
henti no onyim ya na nkopese papa no mama
say if you wa say it's na you tie na kola bi ko club a wo hu say esei ne ye wo papa oboni o na ye ye afi
anapa me mebo
because asanko ade a opinfo nsa na opinfo di asa
henti no wo se enye sa ne ma ni nyina no enye asanye ni tunufo wo no ma me ntam to say
oh yeah okay enye sa asanye but ye twisisa wo
okay
environment be is not good to
na shisha cry dai
okay papa said shisha
me na minim very good
okay shisha ne shisha ne sa ade no asa nsuo na gum ne ya twi okay
omo twen
Ah, na papa yenje.
Minim.
Okay, papa the actually. We are
It's a George wow.
I'm sir. Papa the best thing is that okay. Ah.
She's an in pipe.
The baby patch be phone lines na
smoke.
I was for the patch friend na for wadwenche ebre.
Be my right information.
Okay.
There's a sister no say we
wo. Oh, okay. Okay, Miss Shodi one on be da on. Okay. Na we ye den na hu say read you.
Say ejuma na ye ni.
Okay.
Okay.
Ubisa wo ma obitimi ka so ye wo wi die ye di gum. Ene ye wo ne ma.
Ete no omo no ma ye omo den.
Opote say onoma na ebia oye slow otimi
eti ye besre youth in Polano. Ade bia me sister ketwa Pamela ye wo say ni anwo no. Enam fosem abrabo bia no fo say nko wo bona mean won wa have fun ene anwo no. It is a wo hwe yenya ti wa wo fo asem ene ni nua no de opeso ka nyina de opeso chire nyina ne say first don't say den tie na wo fo asem ne ma me asem ma ne ma me kra be yare but ena wo tie wo ma me asem no abrabo ne nsem fata nyina no ojai me do fofre na fa wadwenchire fa bre ye bre nti ye be fa course be ye mienu mi nsem bi pe fa wadwenchire fa bre Mama Grace me pa cho wadwenchire eni die mo
From the beginning, no. Akwala OTP na akwala 10. Now you're baba bakope. So you can imagine the kind of handling never handle with you. Okay. And again, a betting ama ubetting a pie a free fee. Like she was saying, and collaboration. Because your movie so if free baby. Young Casa, we came to Accra on our own. But a struggle yet. By the no, we need you.
Okay.
What in American say? Bibi any what? When you look around you, put him as a one sorry and quiet. There is no hope.
Okay.
But what the energy? None is a swore.
Okay.
And in American, and say, Sir, we are Aquala. It is good, Sir, back to say. Now, obey my baby do everyone for some. More especially, Sir, our for more care. Na omoni kun ho a
sweet man patcho me ba so mame e don for me patcho I free ye number ya e da screen so no na me sha tare kokko bi gina ho no bomoden hello hi hello me patcho ya nko udin baby good evening udin baby are free
Good evening.
Good evening. Me pacho lo wa uti bi ni kakra udi ni baby a wo free.
Rita.
Okay, Rita, o kasa free hin wada Roma enko.
Kasa free kwa.
Okay. Me pacho yanko wada Roma lo wa uti bi ni kakra bi na wa twon ho kakra bi. Okay. Mama Grace me pacho wenti mi anyina so.
Send me American. I on one experience.
Okay.
I'm so the what I say. Now at the problem because a man be who so percent obinya fame. Yenjina we so the country you say. Fame. Internet on far on
so no cre
wrong
Hello.
Mama pacho hold so mama me pacho. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello,
me pacho wada Roma udi ni baby a free.
Abazam kasa free kumase.
Okay.
Tano wabre papa wabrabum. Aminya na nka me wale no. Dia me wi a number ne mo pa man mame. Amaye no ho ade why?
Me pacho yate. Yeah, that's it. Nyankopon shira pa. Sweet mommy, as I say when you kunu, ye be kenkan.
Internet no emfa wo ho nchew.
Eno kre.
Ade bia obeye bia no ye kokogila ide. Internet dachi ye ndwene ye nchirema ye ma ye be wo mo. Emfom so timi ba de. Say emfom so de are fine. And I grow Ghana we mo kromo fa de nche. Say ka say internet no krampo e de be chewa. Ghana need be kwa akoto ba bi dachi we yaba.
Obe save go the phone so.
What you say? Entino bibia obia ye bia no youth. Ye pa mo chew. Mama yanya careful, but I never come can one of them for no. Abrabom, Yenina, recently in your accident.
Okay. Patron.
A serious one, Sana. The car, yeah, Adam Phobia, no many done so far, say. If he said, I didn't see you, a friend you, let me say, Uncle Obasia friend from that time up to now, because I know that.
Wow.
He promised. Oh, me friend will be Nama share. Say, and I'm personally say, over the Marco situation, now what can you say, or be a baby you free when you want free, and to prepare your mind. Said, be a way, be a Lucia, consequence, be an one, I began. You one number 4 and you one number 4. Adam 4 walk up problem one and not channel. Walk how one and not channel.
Dana Oba.
Dana Oba.
It is such a person when you're the money on us associating with you. And yes, very careful. Now you're so young because now for some of you, Ouna, or person sideline. I told my coin. One gets a build build the grounds and the social media. But Yamia Wadum, which me kind, create something for yourself. Do it on your own. And now for some idea, if I am position because baby, we hear no, a hot and no baby trail. I want to be you a man.
Wow.
Now go punch. Miss Shorty, we'll find out ways now. Yeah, wrap it up. Okay.
Nancy America sound is a make a baby Marka Bibia made a pa, Yenna Fifi, Nancy, nearly baby and me. Into me 2 minutes back on a machine. Because me, some me no be of a mamma. It's not a moon be a mix to me too, but me too in a way there. Me, I may bomb a bra, said ya, no bonny be, and that's me ma Abasha, a big as drum. As I'm Cola Banner, 7 million be no more. Yes. Wake it away, to Miss Person mean be. Where you wait, Miss Me,
but your brain in sin.
I make her say, Yen far a yakam like Jenny and your foot, okay. And one was shaman, and I was that. So you what? Yen giant to try you maybe son. Because in some night, of course,
yen Sam a yak on baby. I dear chat, yes, and you sweet movie, uniform. And every other first man I asked my name, yeah, say my name was Suchin Champ. Into no, Papa. First, make I be to make I Pamela your video be. Hey, me say no for that cost. Now I said board. What kind of video? No view so.
Wait, I don't go see say.
You get it? Yeah, we shall. Yeah.
No quarry in a year, na yen 2 and Colana phone. I said, who are the door? Me pemi kama nyama hona edoso abrabon nsatien na
enye pe nyama nshira
ti show de dia parents bi wo amonke abunya parents amonke allow yourself
yes enu nti na oka se enam o se ne ma me tu no focus a kire na wanti no se ne ma me kra be yare ye be call because ememu nine no baba akope so na oda ma me akoma so and at the end of the day ye de nyankopon asese wetie ma me you know wa don't punch out na wa satra e free nema be Pamela she camera ni fa wo number etudwa ene wo final ways me punch out say bia wo ye influencer wo ye modeler actress no
few followers not that on my social media handles so in case of any adverts or
camera ni e ma be
055607400 only for advertisement and promotion.
So say there's some yana me be manage with
Matthias
say me anu me yana me be manage no enti wo abefre ni bi obeka kire me ba cho eye for adwuma nko a pa number do tudwa call na be ba make sure say direct me phone so
055607400 yeah
okay enti efutu obey na dey ato nyina 1 minute
I think so na 1 nyina enti no nyo obey bia no na wadwen dachi nyo obey ne no dwen dachi se dachi no eduru ho a ebe adepa anase be adebonia eno ano no
nyamishira wate mbaba if I show final words na wo telephone
Mary Pamela ayo bia no ye fepa me hwe ne din onyame nsira no ɛwɔ de wadu no nyame abɔ ne yie nti wɔnhwɛ ne ho se yie ɔma de ato ne mu na bam ongu so mpem kɔ bible sɛ ɔkwasea ohun de ba ogina ho ma ne beto no ɔbanyansafo twe ne ho nti wɔhu de aba na watwe ne ho nim sɛ nyame de no ɛde ne bedu akyire na mmom na danfo no so meka sɛ nyame nsira no baabi ɛwɔ bia so otimi twe na so ɛmɛ ne wasakla aha ɛma otimi atwe ne ho mɛ ne otimi agina